Sabir from Extreme Plumbing has been taking care of my plumbing needs for the past 10 years. He has done a variety of jobs for me, and he did them right the first time. Every time, I couldn't recommend him enough.